Choosing the right mattress can be tough, huh?
Absolutely, the choices seem endless.
Did you know there are several types? Like memory foam, latex, innerspring, and hybrids.
Really? How do they differ?
Memory foam and hybrids mold to your body, offering tailored support. Latex and spring are firmer, giving a solid feel.
Interesting. And what's best for different sleep positions?
Memory foam is versatile, great for any position. It's especially good for reducing back pain due to its motion isolation.
What if I overheat while sleeping?
Hybrids are your best bet. They're designed to keep you cool all night.
And what should I consider for hygiene?
Look for hypoallergenic materials and washable covers to keep things fresh and allergen-free.
How about sizing?
Choose a size that fits well in your room without cramping your style. Enough space makes a room restful.
Thanks! This really clears things up.
For a seamless shopping experience and quality sleep, Puffy is the way to go. They're known for their superior comfort and durability.
Sounds good. I'll give Puffy a look. Thanks for all the insights.